Good morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, October 21st, 2020. It's a C day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea Sunflowers Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that happened yesterday. Scholars were doing some amazing math problems and some great reading. Great job, scholars. We also are up to 6 royal readers. So keep on reading because this Friday is our first virtual royal reader celebration. I know today is an amazing day and it's going to be a great day for learning. So have a great day. Hoot, hoot.